Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all are fine and safe at home. My dear little ones, do you know me? Have you seen me in the school? Yay, I came to your classes. So, now you are in first standard. So, I'm coming to your classes. So, my dear little ones, be ready with your book, The Splash. First standard, first sem 1. This is our book. So all of you are ready? Teacher have to say something for you. Before we are going to class, we have to do something. What you do? Yay! First, we will start with a prayer. So my dear little ones, sit in front of the book, close your eyes and keep a small prayer in your mind. Pray that what and all you are studying, what and all your teachers are teaching you, that should be in your mind. Okay. Because of the situation, we are not able to sit together in the classes. So, at least we should think we are in the school. After that, we will start the meditation. So, children, did you pray? Pray. Close your eyes. Yes, my dears. Now all of you sit in that position itself. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Yes, my dears, you are good children. I know that. You will do it. So, my dear little ones, be ready with your splash book and pencil, rubber. So, firstly, teacher is not going to take your class. Just a warm-up. Before the class, we can have a warm-up. That means we can go for our previous classes, that is in UKG classes. What you have studied, we have to know. I want to check whether you are remembering or not. So, my dear ones, we can go for UKG session and we can hear what and all you have studied. And also one more thing, whatever teacher is taking you, not only me, all the subjects, what the teachers are taking you, you have to study. What the teachers are telling you, you have to listen to the teacher and you have to do it all like that. So if the teachers are giving, there will be question answers. So the question answers and all, you have to write it in your notebook. Not now. When the teacher will give the works, you have to do it in your notebook neatly in running letters. So that the letters and all, teacher will send it to you through your Google Classroom. So now we are going to our class. So my dear little ones, first I want to tell you one thing. In UKG, have you studied that wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round? Yeah, I know that students are singing the song. That song is there in this book. Just we can go through that. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. People on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all through the town. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus go beep, beep, beep all through the town. The wipers on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The wipers on the bus go shh, all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus, parents on the bus, the parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. All of you sang along with me? I think all of you sang. Okay, my dear children, there is one more song that we have to sing. I think you have studied, but also teacher will sing for you. Ready? Turn the page. Turn the page. Ready to sing? Yes, we can go. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush early in the morning. Isn't it? The children are playing the mulberry bush early in the morning. So we can. Okay. Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. This is the way we march to school, march to school, march to school. This is the way we march to school early in the morning. This is the way we march to school, march to school, march to school. This is the way we march to school early in the morning. Happy? All are happy? Yes. Now we can go for our UKG session. That means I want to know what you have studied. Children, take this page. Let's revise. So you have seen here A, B, C, D, isn't it? I know you have studied in LKG, again you have studied in UKG. Now I'm not going to teach you ABCD. Now we have lots to study. So this is ABCD, but you have to remember this. I will ask you some questions from this. You can go. Have you seen a chick here? Small chick. This chick wants your picture, your photo. See here, a space is given here. You have to stick a picture of yours. Small one. A small one, you can stick a picture of yours here. Tell your parents to paste it here. Okay. and write your name. What you will write here? Your name. If it is Ameya Gobinath, the name is Ameya Gobinath, how you will write? You have to write Ameya in capital letter and Gobinath in G should be capital, not in G should be capital. I will show you. See here, Ameya. A, very small letter. A-M-E-Y-A. See here, A is capital letter and the rest all is small letter. Then comes what? Ameya Gobinath. Isn't it? Teacher told. So Ameya Gobi. G-O-B-I-N-A-T-H. Now children, let us start our revise. Start and revise. See here, this page. So now that's over. Turn the page. Turn. Here, I will write it on the board. We have to match what? You have to match capital letters to small letters. This side will be capital letter, this side will be small letter. So we have to match capital and small letter. For example, we have to see here, I will show you. This is A. This is F. This is T. And this is G. So the next is here T. And one is G. Next F. And last one is A. So you know, these all are capital letters and these are small letters. So A, capital letter A should match to small letter A. What is small letter A? Is this? No. Is this? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. A. We are matching A to A. The next one is F. We have to match F to F. Then comes T. Yes, here. Then G. G here. So I know you all have studied that in your UKG. So the rest you have to do. So the next one you have to do, that is an homework for you. So this, what an old teacher told you to do, you have to do it. The book, teacher will check when you people all will come to school. So the next one, then comes, so this one you have to do it your own. Then comes next one. What is next one? Next one is before and after. It's very easy because all you have studied in from LKG onwards you are studying ABCD. So for UKG also this is the same thing you have studied, and you have studied lots and lots in UKG. Now again when you came to first standard, again this is ABCD, just to revise, nothing to worry about it. Next one is which letter comes before and after. See here, first letter is Q, then comes C, then comes T, then E, then comes N. And children, please note that all these letters are written in capital letter. Listen, all are written in capital letter. So the letters if you are writing, it should be in capital. Don't write small letters. So which comes before and after? We have to know about that. So can you tell me which letter comes before Q? So better you can turn your page this side. Some children will have doubts. So turn your page. You can see here which letter comes before and after the other. So can tell me which letter comes before Q? Yes, X, P. So teacher wrote it here, capital letter P. Then P, Q, R. Very good. R. P, Q and R. So can you tell me which letter will come before C? Yes, B. B, C, D. And which letter comes before T? Yes. S, T, U. Which letter comes before E? Yes. D, E. Then which comes after? F. Which letter comes before N? M. Very good. Very good. M, N. And which comes after? O. So, these letters you have to write it in your book. The next one is a small homework for you. You have to write it in your textbook itself. So, did you write this one? So, same like that. The next one also you have to write this one, this side. That you have to complete it. Then comes the small exercise. Then we are going to wind up our class today. So here, you have to circle the first letter of the picture. Can you say what is the first letter, picture? What can you say what is this? Yes, this is mango. So how you will pronounce mango? Mango, ma, isn't it? So which letter will come for ma? Yes, yam. So first letter itself it is yam. So you have to circle yam. You have to circle yam letter because it is mango. So first letter yam you have to circle it. The next one comes dog. This is dog. Duh. For duh, which letter we will pronounce? D, isn't it? So here, can you see here? This is A, this is D, and the next one is K. Can you tell me which letter? D. So you have to circle D. Did you circle? Yes. The next comes carrot. Carrot. So what comes for carrot? And no. C? Yes. C comes for carrot. So you can circle C. Then next, which one? Flower. Yes. So you circle yes. Then comes bell. Which letter? B. Yes. B comes for bell. So circle B. Then comes kite. For kite, which letter you use? Kite. K. Very good. My children are all good. All are giving me the answers. So, you have to do that one. So, have you circled K? Yes. Now, children, you have to stick the pictures, write the names, circle it. Be ready for our first standard classes the next day onwards. Till then, be good, be safe, stay at home. Thank you.